Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Al. I hope everyone is doing well. This is part 2 in the ICE vending machine smart business ideas. So, question, how much can you make from an ICE vending machine? ICE vending machines can be lucrative additions to your existing business, a standalone business, or helpful supplement to income after retirement. So how much can you make from an ICE vending machine? Will vary depending on the ICE machine you choose, the location, the land rental fees. Owners also set their prices, usually $1.50 to $3 per bag. There are also 3 different ICE vending machine sizes. The large ICE house, as you see in this video, the ICE kiosk, and the compact ICE merchant. And the model you choose will also impact total sales and payback period. The ICE house, which is the one you see in the video, is the largest vending machine and can serve 50,000 customers per year. The beauty of the ICE vending machine business is high profit margins. It costs about 25 to 35 cents in raw materials to produce an ICE bag that might sell for $1.50 to $3. So the other hidden costs are refilling your ICE bags, lot or ground upkeep, cleaning the machine, and replacing the water filter. Other than that, the ICE vending machine business is a profitable business. Again, I hope this information helps someone. This is Al, and until the next video, you take care, and I will talk to you soon.